up kapag hindi talaga, ang faith mo ay hindi buo-buo. Hindi ka talaga makakarating sa dapat mong panoorin sa buhay. Number two, alam mo, meron kang gift. You have to embrace it, you have to acknowledge it. And if you have the chance, study. Pag-aralan mo, develop, accept everything. Huwag kang mamimit, matanggapin kahit maliit, malaki, ikaw mo nga, di ba? There are no small roles. Basta meron kang chance na mapalawak ang iyong knowledge and experience, tanggapin mo lahat yan. At saka huwag kang magmadali na marating ang karuruk-rurukan hanggat hindi naman talaga para sa'yo. Kasi you will end up competing with others and that will make you really, really frustrated. You know, just take your time, enjoy every moment, your time will come. Your time will come.
Hello po. Hello to everyone. I'm Anton po for Pusang Kalidad and Vlogger din. My question is to Miss Julian and Sir Ryan. Diba, everybody loved yung movie niyo na kasali, and then nagkaroon ng part 2, right? And then everybody was expecting na magkakaroon ng part 3, and then wala. And then this. So, okay lang ba sa inyo na maisip ng mga tao na parang mag-relate nila na, parang ito yung part 3 nung noon. And, yun yung question. Is it okay for you na mag-relate ng mga tao na parang part 3 ito ng movie? And if ever hindi, ano ba ang difference nito at sa ano? Basically, kasi parang household issues pareho.
Okay. Well, yung sa, hindi mo masisisi yung tao, no, sa unang vista, pagka nakita mo sa television, nang hindi ka siguro na nakakarinig, actually kahit parinig mo yung dialogue na wala pang title. Yun ang gandang iisipin. No, that was not the intention, but sadyang ganyan talaga. Ano ba naman yung babasihan, di ba, kung di yung dating project. Pero that's why also, with your help, may disseminate ba yung impormasyon na this is a totally different story. And hindi talaga maikakailan na maisip nilang ito yung pangatlo. Lalo na dyan si Direk Joey na naman, and then us, no? Kumbaga yung unit na yun, they associate really with the first 2 movies we did. Okay lang. Pero that's why we are very careful to explain that it's not connected, and it's a totally different movie. The characters are very different. Well, okay. Sa totoo, when we did Kasal-Kasali at Sakan-Sakali sa Lolo, we did not know that we were coming up with a full-on comedy. Okay? That's the magic of Joey Reyes' scripts. It's very intricately written, and then by the time it gets edited, iba na yung lumalabas sa screen. What comes out as a gem, that's all in his mind. Then you see it on screen. Even as actors, there's only so much that the director can tell you. Yung My House Husband, I would think you will be pleasantly surprised. A lot of people will come in with expectations na they will be met. Yung tawa, yung ngiti, yung relationships. But I think they will be totally surprised with this movie.
Yes.
Yes.
Anything you'd like to add, Mrs. Butani? Yun na yun, di ba? Alam mo na yun.
Yun na yun.
Okay. Next question.
Hello po, good afternoon. My name is Josephine Bonsol, writing for JoeBonsol.com. I'm also a teacher in Manlaker. And I would like to ask each one of you one question, pero before that, I'd like to say, my students really adore you, they follow you all the time. And all of them are already...
What? Hey!
all of them are already waiting for lesson.
Nice action!
Lalo na Miss Uge, lahat ng teachers ang
Uge. Naku, Uge! Nice one, Ate Jo.
My question is, what part of the movie po is true with your life, and what have you learned while making this film? And what do you want the viewers to learn from this movie?
nag-uusap kami ni Ellen. Thumbnail daw siya dito. So you were asking what part of the movie na nakaka-relate ako? Yeah, like I said earlier, I play Judy Ann's brother at isa akong nursing student dito. In real life, I am a nurse at I have a sibling. Kaya ako tumatayo ng parang nag-a-advise sa kanya kapag may problema siya. At sakto yung mga eksena sa akin ni Judy Ann na nag-usap kami tungkol sa problema niya.